In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change default text box style in PowerPoint. This is a quick technique that saves time and keeps your slides consistent, especially if you find yourself reapplying the same font, size, and color over and over. Start by opening your PowerPoint presentation. You can use an existing file or a new one. This setting will apply only to the presentation you have open right now. With the file open, insert a text box. Go to the Insert tab, choose Text Box, then click and drag on the slide to draw it. Type a few words so you can see your formatting as you go. Now format that text box exactly the way you want future text boxes to look. Pick your preferred font and size, adjust the color, and set the alignment. If you rely on emphasis, apply bold or italics. You can also format the text box itself, not just the text. Change the fill color, outline, and any shape effects you want to carry forward. This is a good time to think about readability and accessibility, so aim for sufficient contrast and a size that's easy to read from the back of a room. Here's the key move. Click once on the edge of the text box to select its border. You want the box itself, not the text inside it. You'll know you've got the border when you see the resizing handles around the box and your cursor changes, often to a four-headed arrow. Right-click that border. In the menu that appears, choose Set as Default Text Box. That's it. From now on, every new text box you insert in this presentation will automatically use the style you just defined. You won't need to reformat each one manually. Note that this affects only new text boxes. Any text boxes you already had on your slides will keep their current formatting. Also, this default is saved within the current presentation file. If you open a different deck, it will use whatever default is set there. If it doesn't seem to work, the most common issue is right-clicking inside the text instead of on the border. Make sure the border is selected before you choose the default option. Also ensure you're using a standard text box from the Insert tab. To wrap up, open your presentation, format one text box exactly the way you want, right-click its border, and set it as the default. You'll get consistent professional styling for every new text box with zero extra effort.